Hello viewers all over the world. It's been quite a long time that we gave you an update of what is happening on 100,000 plants here in Kwekwe. So ladies and gentlemen, we just want to show you so far the progress that we have made. Our tomatoes, they are 2 months old, and as you can see already that they are flowering and they are fruiting. So we moved from the vegetative stage and now we're in the flowering and the fruiting stage. This is a critical stage that requires a lot of water. You know, as you see these beautiful flowers, we don't want to fail them. We don't want to have issues of abortion of flowers. That's why inculcating things like boron and other micro essential elements like copper, manganese, magnesium, boron of course, iron, all those important micronutrients, they should be readily be available. You know, when it comes to tomato production, what is most important is the issue to do with major elements. What are the major elements that is required in the tomato production? Just like any other crop, of course, it is the NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Apart from that, you also want to look at other trace elements that are very, very much important, as well as the micro essential elements that I have mentioned. So, ladies and gentlemen, we did our application of our granular fertilizers, and from there now, at this stage, we are doing our application of our foliar fertilizers, or others may call them as soluble fertilizers. So of course we did with a number of them. At this stage, you want to make sure that these fruits are protected from calcium deficiency, so that can be overcome by applying calcium based fertilizers, for example like calcium nitrate. Of course, you want to make sure that you have that nice hairy looking tomatoes with the help of magnesium sulfate. Another important nutrient is potassium at this stage. So potassium fertilizers like potassium nitrate actually help in terms of fruit development, and also at this stage of the tomatoes where the fruits are setting, potassium will actually do a very good job. And of course, not forgetting spraying. Having a good spraying program is what is going to help you to have a wonderful crop like tomatoes. So you can imagine, ladies and gentlemen, our tomatoes are 3 months and quite tall. And you can imagine, if I stand here, it is reaching me somewhere here. Very soon, in 3 months, we're gonna be talking something like that. Ladies and gentlemen, watch out on KS Greenwood Farm. Remember, if you want to have the best crop ever, don't forget to contact KS Greenwood Farm managers. They're gonna help you. Otherwise, ladies and gentlemen,